Ever wondered why shedding those extra pounds feels like climbing Mount Everest without any gear? The truth is, weight loss can often seem like a daunting task, an uphill battle that never quite ends. But fear not, because today, we're going to unravel the secrets of effective weight loss methods. First things first, the most basic weight loss method revolves around adjusting your diet. Now, this doesn't mean starving yourself or jumping onto the latest fad diet bandwagon. No, it means making smarter choices about what goes onto your plate. Increase your consumption of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while simultaneously reducing the intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Remember, it's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. Next, move more. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. It could be as simple as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a brisk walk in the park, or joining a dance class. The key is to find an activity you enjoy and stick to it. Consistency trumps intensity every single time. Third, hydrate. Drinking water not only keeps you hydrated, but also aids your body in burning calories. It's a simple, yet often overlooked step in the weight loss journey. Fourth, get enough sleep. A good night's sleep plays a vital role in regulating your metabolism and appetite. Lack of sleep can often lead to overeating and weight gain. Lastly, manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain by triggering your body to eat more and store fat. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or simply taking some time out for yourself every day. Now let's quickly summarize these weight loss methods. Adjust your diet to include more nutritious foods and less of the unhealthy ones. Make physical activity a part of your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key. Hydrate regularly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Get a good night's sleep to help regulate your metabolism and appetite. And finally, manage your stress levels to avoid emotional eating and weight gain. Remember, weight loss is not a race, it's a journey. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that will not only help you lose weight, but also maintain it in the long run. So take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. And that's a wrap on today's topic of weight loss methods. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on how to live a healthier, happier life.